The song that we chose to perform was called Happy by Pharrell Williams. We chose to do this song because it had a really uptight beat, it was at a higher level, and our teacher thought that we could do it really well. This song was made by Pharrell Williams and it came out in 2014. The most difficult part about learning this song was that it had a really fast drum part, and there were many different parts for the melody and the background music, and there were many guitar solos that our class had to learn. Yes, there were quite a few classmates that surprised me while preparing this song. There was the bongos. There's this kid called Joshua Garcia, and he does the bongos really well. And also the kid who plays the drums, he's really good at playing the drums. He does all these cool rock and roll switch offs, and it's really interesting playing with the 9th grade class.